immense.
Yeah, no, loved it.
It was really good, it was amazing.
Absolutely unbelievable.
Incredible.
Just had me on the edge of my seat.
Circus was amazing.
It was a bit of a ride actually. I would strongly recommend it.
It was amazing. I really liked it.
Favourite bit, the motorbikes at the end, that was fantastic.
Oh, without a doubt, the ending bit, the motorbikes where they're just buzzing around.
Every time they added something, we were like, no, you can't. You physically cannot do any more.
4, it was like, oh.
Cirque Berserk was absolutely amazing. It was insane, absolutely insane.